What does it mean when a text message doesn't say delivered on iPhone? So let's say you are trying to send the message to any of the person from iMessage, and once you send the message, you should see the delivered icon at the bottom of the message. But for you, if you don't see the word delivered, it can mean a few different things. The most common reason is that the recipient phone is turned off, out of battery, or not connected to the internet. Since iMessage requires Wi-Fi or mobile data, your message will stay in limbo until their device reconnects. It can also happen if the person has Do Not Disturb mode or focus mode turned on. Well, the other reason could be that the recipient has blocked you, in which case your message will never show the delivered tag. Lastly, if iMessage is temporarily down or the recipient has switched to a non-Apple device, the message may fail to deliver as iMessage and could instead be sent as a regular SMS, which won't show you the same deliver status. So not seeing delivered doesn't mean something is wrong. It usually just means that message is waiting to reach the other device. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.